Hello, kiddos! Today we will learn about numbers, including how to write and count. Let's start learning. Number 1. Let's learn how to write it. 1. 1 apple. Well done, kids! Let's do the next number. Number 2. Let's learn how to write it. 2. 1 and 2 balls. Number 3. Let's learn how to write it. 3. 1, 2, and 3 birds. Bravo! Number 4. Time to write the number 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 flowers. Fantastic! Number 5. Let's write the number 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cupcakes. Number 6. Now time to do the number 6. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 burgers. Number 7. Okay, let's write the number 7. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 leaves. Number 8. Let's learn how to write the number 8. 8. Great work, kids! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 oranges. Number 9. Now write the number 9. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 frogs. Number 10. Now write the last number. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bugs. Wow, we did it! Have fun, kiddos! Please click subscribe for more learning and fun. See you in the next videos.